Kucoin engineers, welcome to our channel. Today I'm gonna share with you some knowledge and information about Bingx CryptoExchange. In this video, I'm gonna provide you with some additional and crucial tips about this exchange. Let's get started. Bingx CryptoExchange was designed for crypto market traders. As you can see, there's a lot of features for using and trading, copy trading, derivatives, markets, etc. I'm going to touch this, but first of all, you must use login or sign up buttons. If you haven't any account on the Bingx CryptoExchange, you absolutely must use sign up. You will face a new screen for get starting, and there's two choices for signing up. If you want to use email or phone, doesn't matter what you want. If you want to use your email, you can click this area for entering your email, your private email or another one, and then you must choose your password, and there's an optional choice for getting and for entering referral code. Sure, that's an optional choice, but if you want to pay less than commission without a discount, if you are coin engineer followers, you'll get 20% commission discount using this code. As you can see, but don't worry, I will provide you the relevant link for getting referral code when you want to use Bingx CryptoExchange. Anyway, and then you can choose the phone section for getting and entering your phone number, and you can click this button for creating and changing your country, and then sure, you can click this area for entering your password, and then you just click the I have read and agreed to customer agreements and privacy policy button. Don't forget to read customer agreements and privacy policy sections, because it's a matter. And then you can click the sign up button, and then if you have any time for wasting on spending signing up, you can just click to continue with Google, and you can use your own Google account, your own Google Gmail. Yes, we are on the Bingx CryptoExchange, but don't forget to that you must use the real Gmail account or another mail account, because you need a verification code, which the Bingx CryptoExchange will send your verification code for signing up and logging up on the Bingx CryptoExchange. That's why you absolutely must use a real Gmail account. I want to start the right side of the Bingx CryptoExchange. As you can see in there, there's 4 features for using. First of all, in there you can see assets section. In there are available my assets, deposit, withdrawal, transfer, and asset records. Don't worry, I will touch this. You can control in there your notifications, and it's a user center, and you can take a look your accounts of security, identification, inviting, vouchers, etc. And if you don't want to use personal computer version for Bingx CryptoExchange, you can click this button. If you want to download your cell phone from Google Play or App Store, you can click these buttons, and then you can just use the QR code for downloading to your mobile phone. And that's for using and changing your native language. You can use English and other versions of English, Chinese, Russian, etc. And that's the last feature on the right side of Exchange. That's just change the mode of Bingx CryptoExchange. You can just click this button for changing the mode. Anyway, right now we are on the left side of CryptoExchange. Our first feature is a buy crypto. This is just 3 methods for buying crypto, for spending, trading on the Bingx CryptoExchange. Our first feature is a buy crypto. That's the fastest method for using and buying crypto. And yes, we are on the right side. Buy crypto and P2P trading. But right now we are talking about just buy crypto features because that's the fastest and easiest method for buying crypto on Bingx Crypto Exchange. Because, for example, you can write relevant amount for paying with USD, for receiving and buying USDT or another cryptocurrencies. If you want to choose this section, you can click this button and you can choose Bitcoin or Ethereum. As the same method, you can choose your paying method or paying currency, USDC and other national currencies. For example, I want to buy and I want to pay with USD. That's why I choose USD. I have a minimum limit on the Bingx. That's $5 US. I want to buy USDT, paying USD. That's why I write, for example, $100, and I will receive about 95 USDT. And then you can just click the buy button. And then as the same method, you can sell your own cryptocurrency in return national currency or fiat money. Just click the sell button. Indeed, we will see the important tips and we are read this. After then we can click I have read and agree, and then you just click the OK button. Right now I haven't any USDT, that's why you can choose another cryptocurrency as a Bitcoin or Ethereum if you are able to selling or to being seller. You can choose this button and use sell feature on the Bingx Crypto Exchange. Anyway, and then we have a lot of features on the right side. Our next feature is P2P Trading. P2P Trading is one of the most fastest and easiest features for buying and selling your own cryptocurrencies. For example, as you can see, there's some sellers. We can use them for buying USDT or other cryptocurrencies. You can setting up these features. For example, if you don't want to spend United States dollar, you can choose this button for changing your national currency or another currency, I don't know. For example, right now I want to spend USD, and as you can see, there's a first seller for buying USDT. You can just click the buy USDT button for buying, and then you can set the relevant amount, and then you can choose your relevant payment method, ATM, Edit Cash, Pay, etc. And then you can click the all button, or you can write the manual amount, and you can see the receive section. For example, I write the $50 and you will receive 48 USDT in return your $50, and then click buy USDT with zero fee button. That's it. That's the easiest method for buying and selling your cryptocurrency on this exchange. And then one of the crucial methods of this exchange is a bank deposit. First of all, you can read this agreement, and it says, I'm aware that Legend Trading is third-party services provider and user need to pass its identity verification to access its service. Bingx shall not assume any responsibility for any loss or damage incurred from using the payment service. That's it. And then if you agree with this agreement, you can click this button. After this, you can click the verify now. And then if you have any knowledge about peer-to-peer trading and you want to get any more, you can use this beginner guide from Bingx CryptoExchange in their peer-to-peer trading guide video tutorial. Bingx CryptoExchange provide its own users the some guides, and you can see orders from their peer-to-peer user center. You can use a merchant application, you can apply for some merchants. And another primary feature is markets. In here you can choose your own market, for example spot features or another markets for buying, selling, trading with the cryptocurrencies on the market section. For example, you want to trade on the Bitcoin USDT parity, you can click the trade button and you can see some additional features for Bitcoin USDT parity, and then as the same method there is available Same features for Ether, XRP, BNB, or Binance Coin, etc. You can see a lot of in there. Just click the trade button for trading on the relevant parity. Right now I'm on the features side, and if you want to change your side, you can just click the spot or features button, and then it's the same method. You can see new listing currencies, or you can just see and take a look all currencies which are available on the Bingx CryptoExchange. Our next feature is spot. Spot feature is divided into just two features. There's just spot feature and convert feature. For example, you have just one USD and you want to convert it to USDT, and you can use this convert button, and that's the easiest way to trade on the Bingx CryptoExchange. And then you can trade some hot assets in some minutes on the Bingx CryptoExchange using the spot feature. You'll face a screen like this. For example, you can see in your order book, which means you can take a look some orders and some crucial orders. And then you can take a look trades, the relevant price and the relevant amount, and you can see trade times. And then in there are available Bitcoin USDT parity relevant chart from trading view. And then you can buy or sell on the spot market, and then you can do great trading using this great button. And then if you want to choose auto, you can just click this auto button, and then on the other side you must just click the manual button, and you can choose your relevant investment amount for USDT, for example $100. But first of all, you must increase your fund account using this plus button for doing great trading as the same method to sure spot trading. And you can click the deposit button or just buy crypto. After the buying or selling positions, you will see your open orders in there, below, and you can see your order history and trade history from this section. That's it about spot feature. And our next feature is derivatives. Derivatives is also divided into two methods, as a perpetual features and standard features. Perpetual features is so suitable for more experienced traders, but if you have no additional trading knowledges on the trading on the crypto market, you can use for starting the trading standard features. Click this perpetual features button. The derivative screen is an almost same with spot screen, but there's a lot of differences. For example, on the spot screen you can choose the buy or sell buttons, but in there, as you can see, we have open and close buttons, and then you can choose long take profit and stop loss as the same method as short. If you want to buy with taker price, you can use market button, and then if you want to pay less than commission, you can absolutely use limit, and then you can write the relevant order price, and then you can write the section the relevant amount for buying or opening your position on the Bitcoin USDT parity. And then you can choose open long position if you are think like that the Bitcoin price will increase. On the another side, you can choose the open short, the vice versa. And if you want to trade on the cross margin or another things, you can choose and change your margin type. And what's the differences between cross margin and isolated margin? As you can see, this cross margin and isolated margin is a type of derivatives trading. If you want to choose cross margin, you will use all of your assets when you want to trade, and there's a advantage, but it's so critical for your case, because if you lose, your position is not going well, and the exchange will use automatically all of your keys. It's a critical, but isolated margin isn't like that. Isolated margin is allocated your single position, and it's not so risky because you won't use all of your keys, all of your. Please pay attention that when you want to trade, you can choose cross margin or isolated margin, and then you can click the confirm button for using this margin type, and then you can set your leverage ratio. But pay attention please, because if you want to choose the more than leverage ratio, your liquidity price will increase dramatically. That's why I want to give tip about the leverage ratio. The tip is that you absolutely must set less than or a little bit leverage ratio. On the same way, doesn't matter if you want to trade on the long side or on the other hand short side. That's it about derivatives trading. And copy trading. Copy trading is also divided into just 4 features like copy trading, feed, leaderboards, elite traders recruitment. But leaderboard and elite traders recruitment isn't crucial yet. We will talk about copy trading features because in there you can copy the strategies for elite traders. On the other hand, you can be elite traders and return some commissions from your copy trading. It might be passive income. Yeah, why not? Bingx CryptoExchange, one of the biggest crypto exchange on the world. As you can see, there's an almost 6 million copy trading relationships. If you want to be a trader on the Bingx copy trading, you can choose for applying to being a trader on the Bingx. And if you have no inner knowledges, I said again, Bingx provide you with some guides about the copy trading, and if you want to get that, you can click this copy trading guide button. And copy trading is divided into 2 types: futures traders and spot traders. And then if you have any trade history on the crypto trading on the Bingx, sure, you can click this my trades button for taking a look your previous traders, and then you can control or you can take a look, you can manage your own subscriptions. I mean, you can increase your elite traders count using my subscriptions button. For example, if you have no any elite traders for copying on the futures traders side, you can just click this copy button for copying and tracking this trader, and then you can take a look the risk counts on these traders, and you can take a look copiers count. But don't forget that all risk belongs to you, because the traders is a human like you. Yes, that's why you might lose your own assets copying these traders. That's why you must calculate your risk absolutely. Don't forget that. And then you can scroll up and scroll down on the copy trading page for taking a look, raising stars and all traders, conservative traders, and etc. And then you can click these relevant buttons for taking any more. And our another feature on the Bingx Crypto Exchange is Bingx Wheels. What is a Bingx Wheels? If you have no inner knowledge, you can choose and use this button for getting knowledge and information about Bingx Wheels. But if you have any knowledge about that, you can scroll down the button for taking a look anymore on the page. For example, there's a lot of products, and USDT, USDC, Bitcoin, Ethereum, BNB is one of the popular products on the Bingx Wheels. For example, you can click this button for seeing and take a look Wheels percent, and you can click the subscribe button for subscribing, and you will use your USDT assets for earn flexible income. For example, if you want to use 7-day some passive incomes, you can subscribe this 4.50% flexible term. As the same method, you can use this on the USDC, Bitcoin, Ethereum, BNB, and etc. They're not limited products because these products will update and you can choose any more for earning more flexible incomes. And you can choose more button for getting some rewards using Rewards Hub, and you are social media influencer or YouTuber or another person, another thing, I don't know. You can use your own community for earning, and then you can get some promotions on the promotion center, and you can read some blogs, and you can get some knowledge on the Bingx Academy. If you have needed any help, you can choose and use help center. That's it about the left side on the Bingx CryptoExchange. And our one of the most crucial feature is identity verification. I mean QYC, and now your customer verification. For being and applying QYC verification or identity verification, you can choose this button, I mean user center, and then as you can see there's available identity verification button and feature. You can just click this button. You will face screen like this for applying your identity for verification, and then you can choose your own nationality from there, and then you can choose the next button, and then you can click the next button for seeing next screen. Please check your information, and if you are checked your information, you can click this next button, and then the Kucoin Exchange are processing your data, and then you will send your identity document, and you can take your selfie, and then you just must wait for verification your identity. That's it about identity verification, and then you will get any more features and advantages for trading, for buying and selling, and any more features, I don't know. You will face it on the Bingx CryptoExchange. But I want to share with you a little bit tip that's identity verification is the most important, because if you have no any identity verification on the Bingx Exchange, you absolutely can't transfer, withdraw, convert your cryptocurrencies, in return your national currency, or just withdraw from your own browser wallet or another cold wallet. That's why you absolutely must do identity verification, and don't worry about that because Bingx cryptocurrency exchange is so reliable about your document, about your selfie, your email, your phone number. That's it about that. If you don't want to miss the new features about the cryptocurrencies and on the crypto market, don't forget to subscribe our channel, follow on Twitter, join Telegram. See you on the next bullish time.